Welcome to Lesson 11 of Life Fundamentals for Dummies, 16 Things School Doesn't Teach You. Income tax can be a complex puzzle, but in this lesson we'll break it down, gain a fundamental understanding of how income tax works, the basics of tax returns, and deductions. Understanding taxable income is a crucial part of navigating the world of income taxes. Taxable income is the portion of your earnings that the government uses to figure out how much you owe in taxes. Think of it as the slice of your income pie that's subject to taxation. Now let's explore what typically counts as taxable income. Wages and salaries. If you have a job and earn a paycheck, the government will often tax a part of that money. It's like a small slice taken from your pizza when you get paid. Self-employment income. If you are your own boss, the money you make from your business or freelance work is also taxable. Just like employees, you need to tell the tax authorities about your earnings. Investment income. Money you earn from investments like stocks, bonds, or saving accounts is also considered taxable income. When your investments make money, the government might want a piece of it. Rental income. If you are a landlord and earn rent from your tenants, that income is usually taxable. It's like a share of the rent going to the government. Retirement income. Even after you retire, the income you receive like pensions or withdrawals from retirement accounts may be subject to income tax. Other sources. Money from various sources like alimony, unemployment benefits, or prize and awards can also be counted as taxable income. Sometimes it's money you didn't expect to be taxed on. The key is to report all your taxable income accurately when you file your tax return. It's like telling the government how much pizza you've eaten so they can calculate the right amount to charge you. Now let's dig into the concept of tax brackets and how your taxes are calculated. Income tax isn't one size fits all. It's like a sliding scale where the more you earn, the higher your tax rate. This system is organized into tax brackets, each with a different percentage. Here's a simplified example. For income up to $10,000 is taxed at 10%. Income between $10,001 and $40,000 is taxed at 20%. Income over $40,000 is taxed at 30%. Imagine you earn $50,000. Here's how you'd calculate your tax. The first $10,000 is taxed at 10%, which equals $1,000. The next $30,000, which is in the ratio from $10,001 to $40,000, is taxed at 20%, which equals $6,000. The remaining $10,000, reaching the threshold over $40,000, is taxed at 30%, which equals $3,000. So your total income tax would be $1,000 plus $6,000 plus $3,000, which is $10,000 in total. Remember that tax brackets can change depending on your filing status and they may vary from year to year. So it's essential to check the current rates when you file your taxes. Deductions are like secret sauce in the world of income taxes. They are like discounts that reduce your taxable income, helping you owe less in taxes. There are two main types of deductions. Standard deduction. This is like a fixed discount that the government allows you to subtract from your taxable income. It's available to most taxpayers and varies depending on your filing status. For example, in a particular year, the standard deduction might be $12,000 for single filers and $24,000 for married couples filing jointly. If your taxable income is $50,000 and you are a single filer, you would subtract $12,000 from it, making your taxable income $38,000. Itemized deductions. These are like personalized discounts based on specific expenses such as mortgage interest, medical costs, or charitable donations. If your itemized deductions add up to more than the standard deduction, you can choose to itemize. It's a good idea to keep records of these expenses throughout the year to maximize your deductions. In summary, understanding how income tax works involves knowing what counts as taxable income, how tax brackets and calculations function, and how deductions can help you reduce your tax bill. It's like solving a financial puzzle to make sure you pay the right amount and comply with tax laws. If you have questions or need more assistance, consider consulting with a tax professional or using tax software to make the process easier and ensure you're making the most of your deductions. So, why do we need to pay tax? Understanding why we pay taxes is an essential part of navigating the world of income tax. So let's explore the reasons why paying taxes is important and how it benefits society. Funding public services. One of the primary reasons we pay taxes is to fund public services that benefit everyone. These services include building and maintaining roads, bridges, and public transportation systems. When you pay your taxes, you contribute to making sure the roads you drive on are safe and well maintained. Education. Taxes help finance the education system, from elementary schools to universities. Your tax money goes toward paying teachers' salaries, providing resources like textbooks, and maintaining school buildings. This ensures that children receive a quality education, giving them a brighter future. Healthcare. Tax money also supports healthcare services including hospitals and clinics. These services ensure that people have access to medical care when they need it, regardless of their financial situation. Public safety. Taxes fund law enforcement agencies and firefighters who keep our communities safe. They help protect us from crime and respond to emergencies, making our neighborhoods secure places to live. Social programs. Some of your tax money goes towards social programs like Social Security, unemployment benefits, and food assistance. These programs provide a safety net for people who may be going through tough times, such as the elderly, those who lost their jobs, or families in need. National defense. A portion of your taxes is allocated to national defense, which includes the military and the protection of the country. This ensures that the nation can defend itself from potential threats and maintain peace. Infrastructure and utilities. Taxes help maintain critical infrastructure like water and sewage systems, as well as utilities like electricity and gas. These services are essential for our daily lives and the functioning of businesses. Environmental protection. Tax revenue is also used to fund environmental protection efforts. This includes cleaning up pollution, preserving national parks, and promoting clean energy initiatives to protect the environment for future generations. Government operations. Taxes are needed to run the government itself, paying for its salaries of public officials and maintaining government buildings. Redistribution of wealth. Another reason for paying taxes is to promote a fair and just society. Taxes are a way to redistribute wealth, with those who can afford to pay more contributing a larger share to help those in need. So when you pay taxes, you're essentially investing in your community and the well-being of your fellow citizens. Taxes ensure that our society runs smoothly. People have access to essential services and those facing hardships receive support. It's a way of contributing to the common good and maintaining a stable and functional society. Well done getting past the hard stuff. In the next lesson, we will talk about stress management.